That light is brighter at the bottom, and that one is just even right through. So I want them to check that out, fix that. And then also, this camera right here, every now and then, it doesn't work the way it's supposed to. So trying to see if they can take a look at it and fix that as well. And then also, when you drive very specific conditions, there's a weird noise. You hear like, bah, 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 bah. But I can't seem to duplicate it. So I don't know if they're gonna be able to like see it and fix it. But those are the 3 issues. And I'm taking it right now to Tesla to see if they can fix it. So fingers crossed, let's see. Oh dear. You get it? So I dropped off my car and I got a loaner car. And the loaner car that they gave me is not a car at all. Honestly, the ugliest thing I've ever seen. The windshield was dirty, so I pushed this button to clean the windshield. And it looked like if something was slapping me. Like I ducked. Look at this. Like out of nowhere, it's like this giant hand is like, get out of my face. So I'm home and in the garage, I had to pull the truck up all the way to the front. And this is an extended length garage too. Like this is not even a standard length. I had to pull it up all the way up to the front there and all the way in the back. It barely fits. Like, by the way, this looks so sharp. Oh, it is sharp. Gosh. Okay, let's see if it closes. Oh boy. Oh boy, is it gonna fit? Oh, okay. It fit. So this is a little weird. All right, do that to open the door. Look at the steering wheel. So the steering wheel turns. Okay, if we close it back, the steering wheel just, almost like it dies. It's not turning the tires or anything, but yeah, back here, okay. Interesting. Cybertruck. So I don't have the Cybertruck for a long time because the repairs on my car they're relatively quick repairs. So while I have it, I might as well do some quick errands and then I'll take this back and get my vehicle. Okay, so a couple of things I find interesting about this vehicle. Right now it's on its lowest setting, but look, now it's gonna go all the way up to its highest setting. This is the highest setting. Now back down to low. Wow, look at the back tires. All the tires, all the wheels turn. See that? That's a menacing sound that it makes when it turns. This thing's so ugly. Also, here's a front trunk. It's like a giant mouth ready to just eat you. And then to get into the back trunk, you push this, and this just pops down. Kind of cool. Then you push this up like that. A lot of space. A lot. And then also, here's the visor. So this vehicle is very large. So you'd expect that everything in it will be large, but look at the visor, and then you flip this down to get the mirror, the vanity mirror, and look at the size of that thing. It is tiny. But now I'm gonna go and do a couple of errands. So I'm gonna close the tonneau cover and I'm gonna do a couple of errands, and then I'm gonna take this vehicle back and get my car. The worst part about driving a Cybertruck is that you have to look at it when you walk to and from it. Like, oh my goodness. I'm gonna throw up a little bit. Ugh. Oh my goodness. No matter what angle you go, you approach it. What? You see that? No matter what angle you approach it from, it's still ugly. Ugh. Gosh, even the reflection is ugly. All right, watch. I'm gonna floor it. Oh man. It peeled out. Oh my goodness. All right, that was a little bit scary. This big ugly thing should not be this fast. It moves. Oh my gosh. All right, it's too scary. All right, no, that was definitely dangerous. Oh my gosh. Oof. Oh man. All right, let's try a little bit more. Oh my gosh. All right. A little dangerous. That's dangerous. All right, let's stop. There's my car right there. So I'm gonna return this one, get mine. Okay, all done with this car. So get my stuff out. I keep calling it a car. It's not a car at all. And put it into my car. It's not a car either. This is more like a minivan or something. All done.